What if you could just spin a globe, tap on any city in the world, and instantly listen to whatever is live on the radio there right now? There are over 25,000 stations you can listen to, completely free. That's exactly what this app does. This app is called Radio Garden. It is available on both Android and iOS. I will leave the download links in the description. When you open the app, you are looking at a 3D globe. You can spin it freely to travel, and every green dot you see on it represents a city or town that has live radio stations broadcasting right now. You can tap on any dot or scroll through them and see what's playing in real time. Let's start somewhere in the United States. If you don't want to scrub through the dots, go to Explore to see a list view of popular stations in that specific area, stations from nearby cities, and then the whole country.
From the Fox News Podcasts Network.
Hey there, it's me, Kennedy. Make sure to check out my podcast.
And if you find a station you like, you can favorite it and it will show up in your favorite section whenever you come back. Then there is Browse section. You will find few curated playlists of stations from around the world. I'm going to quickly scroll through these without stopping too long, just to avoid any potential copyright issues with the music that might be playing.
Até ao final aí do desfile, portanto poupem-se também, mas a via está aberta sempre para vocês, nem precisam de me perguntar.
The search section is straightforward. You can look up stations by name or search for a city, a country, really anything. It's pretty comprehensive.
Yeah, I mean, I think we know that the shares priced at $135 a piece, and right from the moment we saw that first official share trade take place for the public, it kind of jumped around 30-odd%, 20-odd% to 100.
Now, a couple of features I really like. When you are scrubbing over the globe and a station is already playing, there's a lock button you can tap. That locks your current station so you don't accidentally switch to something else while you're just exploring. Really handy. Then there is Balloon Ride. Tap that button and the app picks a completely random country and plays a random station from there. It's a fun little discovery tool. You genuinely have no idea where you will land. There is also Where Am I button that tells you exactly which city and station you're listening to. Radio Garden is one of those rare apps that has a clear personality. It's just giving you a window into how the rest of the world sounds right now. Completely free to use and available on both Android and iOS. Worth having on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.